A common mistake I see learners make is that they purely use the accelerator to speed up and the brake to slow down. The issue with this is that you can very often get to junctions quicker than necessary, which leads to much harsher braking than necessary, and it can make taking junctions and dealing with hazards feel quite clunky and quite uncomfortable. When we look at the accelerator, we want to look at it as not just a speed increasing pedal, but a speed controlling pedal. It all depends on how much pressure you use. If you keep increasing the pressure, the car will speed up. If you maintain pressure, then you'll maintain speed. If you reduce the pressure on the pedal, then you can get the car to nicely, gradually slow down. This can then, when used in the right way, massively reduce how much you actually need to brake, and it should make the dealing with hazards a lot more comfortable. Looking ahead, there is a parked car on the corner, reducing the available space. Therefore, I'm not going to accelerate here. I'll keep my speed steady. Following the road to the end, I can see there's a bend, so I'm beginning to come off the gas. This allows me to get to pretty much the end of the road without touching the brake. The only time I touch the brake is here. We're approaching a roundabout, and the idea is exactly the same. So rather than accelerating towards it, I'm going to check my centre mirror. I'm going to begin slowing down now, and that way, when I do get closer, I can make less harsh actions, and if I do need to brake, coming off the accelerator has already reduced that speed. It just makes everything a lot more comfortable, and it buys me time. It's preparing for every eventuality, not predicting. The goal of these is not necessarily to avoid the brake pedal at all costs. The goal is to give ourselves more time to think and make decisions. Next time you're driving, look ahead and just ask yourself, do I need to be accelerating?